Hi guys, today we're reading about Pete the Cat's train trip. Pete the cat is going to visit his grandma. He gets to ride on a train station. Pete's mom buys 3 tickets. She gives one to Pete and one to his brother Bob. Trains today: 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Pete looks up at the big board. Our train is leaving at 10 o'clock, he says. A train speeds by. That's a cargo train, Bob tells Pete. Pete's train has arrived. All aboard, calls the conductor. Pete's mom finds 3 seats. I can't wait to see Grandma, says Bob. I can't wait to explore the train, says Pete. The conductor comes to collect the tickets. Pete hands over his. I love trains, says Pete. I'll show you around, says the conductor. Pete follows the conductor from car to car as the floor rumbles under his feet. Wow, Pete says when they get to the caboose. We're going over a bridge. Pete sees his mom and Bob. They are at the snack bar. I got this for you, says Bob. Snack bar. Pete follows the conductor. He goes to the front of the train. Come in, says the engineer. Wow, Pete says. The engineer shows him the engine. The engineer shows Pete the train's brakes. There is a tunnel up ahead. As they go through the tunnel, Pete gets to honk the horn. Toot toot! Everything is light again. Thanks for showing me around, Pete says. On his way back to his seat, Pete stops and makes new friends. They live in different towns. They are getting off at different stops. Pete plays games. A little kid wears his hat. Pete sings a song. What a groovy ride. We'll get off at the next stop, says Pete's mom. Toot toot. Pete looks out the window and sees Grandma. Pete is the first one off the train. Pete's grandma gives him a big hug. It feels good. Pete loves riding the train, but he loves his grandma even more. Oral vocabulary: conductor, tunnel, deferent, engineer, window, ticket, brother, grandma, leaving, explore, arrive, rumbles. So we're learning long E vowel sounds. 3, C, speed, and feet.
Hey kids, this is another word from me, and it's called Blume. Girls, I don't know what it's called, but add to the comment and see what if you're a girl. Just subscribe to our channel and just do the comment, and we'll just figure this out. Okay. And then now it's in my prize for reading books. Now.
Ooh.
Three, two,
One.
All around, spread it all out.
Okay, get more water.
Alright, just report in there.
wow, this is almost gonna be filled. Babe. It's gonna come out. I'm scared, Mom.
Rub your finger around
I do.
Coming
it.
up.
Help to catch him.
It's coming. Ooh,
Is it video, Mom?
Yeah.
it looks like it's gonna grow a beanstalk. Ready?
Ready?
This is gonna be epic.
Whoa!
Ooh. Ooh.
Where's Grandma?
Can we pop it out?
No. Still going.
Do we have to like?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
There we go.
Mine doesn't go.
There's something in it. Help it along by pulling the paper along.
Ooh.
What's a no?
Somebody's growing, Walter.
Hair?
Hair?
Yeah. Let's check it out, Mom. Check it out. Check it out.
It's hair.
Whoa! Look what happened.
Troll.
Is it a troll?
No, it's not.
See? See that? They're so brilliant to think about this. There's something in the bottom. What can we take back? There's a mystery here.
Looks like it opens up on the side.
Oh.
Aw.
Yeah, see?
Wait. What is that?
Oh, mystery tub.
Yeah, mystery tub.
Woo! See, we can play hide and seek with her.
Walter, there's something here.
Purse.
And there's another one here.
There's another one over there in the
Walter, there's a mystery.
How do we take? I don't know how to do it.
This one, let me see. She got a hairbrush.
Woo!
Another mystery here.
I got it.
little friend.
Whoa!
Bracelet.
Oh, her shoes.
Shoes!
Right here, Walter. Here.
And now...
She got slippers.
Now fancy dance. Now some dress and some pants.
Oh, she's gonna put? Oh, okay, her shorts. Aww,
She looks so cute.
with a button on it.
And now the dress.
Oh, this is backward, Walter. So we have to put it like this.
Wait, I think we got the secret one.
We got the special.
I think we got the secret one, Mom.
Blume.
Yeah, because I can't find. All of them have the pink flower, but I don't know which one.
What's her name, Daddy? Pink
Blume.
Blume. Walter, right here, like this. She looks like that, and then this is
Wait, I think I know who she is.
this is her purse.
What's it say there? Blume, eh?
Blume. No, that's the title. That's the title of it.
And then, oh, this is her closet channel, Daddy. Walter.
I think this is her, Mom. I think this is her.
It's her wardrobe.
Chameleon. Yes, I think this is the one.
Oh, okay.
Because she had the pink flower.
But you get the blue hair, don't you?
No, she has pink hair.
Oh, okay.
She has pink hair.
It's a collection. This is her.
What? Close it up.
And
Let's
this is the.
let her get in.
Look at that.